Tasha, good morning. I mean, you guys have been bulls when other people said that you guys were crazy or worse. You held on. You've been right. What is the biggest bull case for Tesla going forward?
Yes, well, Tesla's been a top position in a number of our funds for some time now, and we've held the stock since the start of the firm. Our thesis has always been that Tesla's a leader in autonomous electric vehicles. So we think they're 3 to 4 years ahead of the competition on batteries, on autonomous hardware, and autonomous data collection. I think what's really interesting about the current period is that during the lockdowns, we've seen the traditional automaker space really struggle. We know that the future is really all electric vehicles. And if you're a gas-powered car maker, I mean, your core business is on fire right now. So we think, coming out of this, we could see some consolidation in the auto space. And I think it'll only become more clearer that Tesla's really a leader in EVs, and sort of it was smart to start on that early, versus to have to scramble to figure that out now when you have to cut costs in other areas of your business.
When you say consolidation in the auto space, I mean, I guess a few years ago, Tosh, I would have asked you if somebody were to buy Tesla. Now I guess I need to ask you if Tesla, which has a bigger market cap than the legacy companies, might be the buyer. What does consolidation look like to you?
Well, I think you certainly could see mergers. I don't see Tesla necessarily buying another company, but I do think that in the traditional auto world, you could see companies joining together, or you could see companies completely failing. I mean, we've already seen a number of automakers sort of pull back on their electric vehicle projects. GM cut some of their employees in Cruise, their autonomous division, which is sort of that prize division. And I think, not every automaker is going to succeed in this transition. So to be early and to be as far along and at the scale that Tesla is today is very important.
Your job probably partly, Tasha, is to try to poke holes in your own case, right? A good investor will do that. I'm a bull by nature and I believe in this, but I also can't ignore that. What would be the biggest bear case that you would have to make if somebody said, hey, make the biggest bear case?
Well, I think I'll tell you what we often hear. We often hear that it's possible that EVs are sort of not the long-term future, or that, because of some small subsidy cutback, there'll be a decrease in demand for some period of term. I think that's very short-term focused. The work that we've done on electric vehicles, it's really a cost equation. Battery costs are declining, while gas-powered cars are really just becoming more expensive because of emission standards. And batteries are riding a technology cost decline curve, which is decreasing at an incredible rate, basically because it's an early industry. So you can see that Tesla, as a leader in this space, they're riding that battery cost decline curve. I'd say another important or another argument that I often hear is that autonomous won't happen, and we think that Tesla could start a ride-hailing network in the short term with human drivers, and that could be very profitable as well. So that sort of de-risks that thesis.